Hey everybody, today we got Blake here again and he's gonna lead this video. And what are we drawing today, Blake?
Taco.
Tacos. Is that your favorite food?
Yeah.
All right, let's get started.
I'm using the iPad Pro with the Procreate app. Now you don't need this to follow along. You can use a white sheet of paper, a black marker for outlines, and markers and crayons for coloring in. I occasionally may use a pencil to sketch first, so it's always handy to have that as well as an eraser. If you're new to Procreate, I also have a video called 25 Procreate Tips and Tricks, which is good to watch first because as I draw, I'll be using these actions. I will link that video below. For this tutorial, we'll be using two layers which I've already created. The top layer is for outlines, where we'll be using our black round brush, and the bottom layer is where we'll be filling in with color.
Let's draw a hump.
Okay.
Now, a hump facing like this way.
Do I close it here?
No.
Okay.
Now we draw a line down here. Now we're going to draw the toppings inside.
Oh, okay.
So first we're going to draw the tomato. So we're drawing the round shape and some seeds.
A tomato.
And some seeds.
I'll erase all this stuff after.
And now we're going to draw the lettuce. Now we're going to draw the meat.
How does the meat look like? How can we draw meat?
It looks like a cloud, or you could, yeah.
And then we'll color that brown?
Yeah. We're going to draw some eyes and legs.
Oh, okay.
So what do you want to start with?
The eyes.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna color them black. Okay, I think I'm gonna add a cucumber over here.
Yeah.
Okay, let me erase this part.
I'm going to put avocados in here.
So how has your summer been going, Blake? What did you do this summer?
I went biking with Daddy.
Didn't we go on a trip?
Yeah. Jamaica.
Did you have a good time there?
Yes.
Oh, we forgot the mouth.
Yeah. I don't know what happened here though.
And I think this was lettuce. We can add some lines here. The cucumber has some seeds. Okay, I think I'm ready to color. Can I start coloring?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna pick taco color. I'm gonna start a new layer and put it underneath.
Okay, now I'm going to color too. Coloring the legs.
Oh, I forgot the legs. Okay, you're gonna do the legs? How do you draw the legs? Oh. And then what about arms?
The arms? Yeah. So we're going to draw it inside from coming out in from here. So I'm going to draw another line and erase the stuff in the middle.
Okay, so how do you do the hands?
And I'm starting with this part.
Okay, I'll wait for you so I can follow what you're doing.
Why don't you start your
Well, I want to follow what you're doing.
arms?
I'm following your arms.
Then where's your arms?
I'm waiting for you to finish. Because I don't know how you're drawing it, right?
Okay. So now you draw the arm.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let me erase that.
Now the hand is it's starting to look like a C.
Oh. That's interesting. So he has no fingers.
Has
So it's-
fingers in the back.
It's like a claw.
Yeah.
Like this?
It has fingers like this. Yeah, it's like a claw.
Oh, I think my brush is too thick. I'll just leave it as a C. It almost looks like a Lego hand. How's that?
Good.
Okay, so now I can
Let's cut.
finish coloring.
I'm going to erase it and make a hat. Make it having a hat.
Okay, I'm not gonna do a hat. I think that might be a little too much for him. Actually, that looks pretty cute. Like a cowboy hat. Huh, maybe I should copy you. Okay, you know what? I'll copy you.
Now we're going to move on to the clothes.
Oh my gosh, he has clothes?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe he's wearing jeans? So I'll do like a blue. Oh my gosh, what is that?
Nesty.
A Nestea, okay. I'm gonna start coloring his arms and legs. Now I'm gonna draw the shadows. Remember how I taught you about shadows?
Mm-hmm.
So you pick the color with your finger,
Yeah.
and then we just grab something darker.
Mm-hmm.
You know what? I think I'm gonna add a tongue because he's hungry.
Why not up here?
Hmm?
Why not up here?
You want the tongue up there? Like that?
Looks more better.
That looks weird.
You could change it. Ah, holy cow.
All right. Maybe I'm gonna put some highlights. That's what I'm gonna do. It's missing some highlights. All right, Blake, I think I'm done. There is my taco.
Yours looks great.
Yours looks like a pirate. All right, guys, there is your tacos. It was really cool drawing with you, Blake. Thank you for leading this drawing.
You're welcome.
We'll see you later.
To get notified of more new videos where I teach you to draw, be sure to subscribe to Draw with Marina.